Here, let's see. Pool house. What's the pool? Right there so far.
The sand on the volleyball is so fun.
Oh, that's gonna be good.
Yeah, they got wood.
Yeah. Guys, yo, we made it. This is the beach area and the park. Everybody just got here. That's sick. Like little paddle boats and kayaks over there. Lynn already on the swing over here. Swing! Damn! We are loaded with activities over here. I like swing over there. Damn, that's sick. Enjoy the views, vibes. Let me get off real quick on the wing.